Morning people. Yes, we're back with another video, and it's time to get the oil change because we've done a few track days. Time to get this oil change because I think I've done about 4 or 5 track days, so it's always good practice to do it. Yes, we're back in the garage. I'm going to get my mate to come round and give us a hand because I've got some other stuff that I need doing, particularly this. Look, I managed to find a set of Marchesini wheels off a Hyper, and I've got some wet tyres, so if it's ever a wet track day I can go out as per the instructor. So I've got these, got the OEM discs, traction rings. I've given them a bit of a clean. So obviously my mate, because he's mobile, he can come out, he can fit tyres in his van, so he's going to put these on. We're going to give the bike a bit of a quick inspection, give it a once over, and then obviously I've got another track day at Silverstone coming up in a few weeks, so let's see how this goes. The wizards are here. Look, come down to the house, parked up, got the wheels here, and the man is going to bang her on. Look at that. What a service done at home, eh? Fucking perfect. Look at that, quickly, man. One is done, and the next one is going on now. Look at that. Sorted. Ready for track days if it ever rains. Just let it keep spinning.
The heaviest point of the wheel will always sit at the bottom, so you put the weight at the top end.
As the opposite?
Yeah.
And there's your balance then?
Yeah, there's your ballast point.
What about the tyre valve? Doesn't that come into it?
Oh, massively. I've left this weight on just to see where we got. Got
you. The spare wet wheels are done. Look at that. Yes. So got back up just in case it ever fucking rains. Sweet. So I've got these spare wheels. I've got these nice little bags. So these are made by Moto. My mate did a video on them and they're local to me, so look at that, man. Fit in a full-on 17-inch. Got these. Wicked. Well, it hasn't been long since the first service. I've only just done track days since, really, innit?
Black as the ice of spades, this is going to be mine. Wet clutches. Are they learning from JH?
Just looks jet black, doesn't it?
Working the slipper clutch well.
Banging down the gears, eh? I suppose this is the only advantage of these bikes, isn't it? You can just fucking get to everything. It's probably good for inspection, isn't it? If, you know, like when you go in track days and stuff and maybe something don't feel right, you can pretty much see everything, can't you? Awesome. Go on, get that forearm going. You're going to get some Fabio forearm pump, mate.
They use cups for doing them.
Is that why they got little indentations in them?
Yeah, but I just do it as much as you can do with the arm.
That's enough, man, isn't it?
It's never coming off. And there's no gearbox attached to the bottom of that magnet either, so which is good. And there's a massive pile. And this is where's all that going to a charity shop saying it's going as rags in the van, that is love. Now open and close that clutch.
Keep doing it, yeah?
Yeah.
Open.
Close. Open. Close. Just keep opening and closing it.
What's this doing then?
When you open the clutch up, it splits the plates.
Yeah.
So this oil will go through the plates. So it's technically washing the plates as well.
Is what you wanted to do?
It's a wet clutch, so we need not loads of oil through these.
Do you need to start it again? Or that's it, just the once warm, job done?
All you got to do is just get the oil round.
Got ya.
Fill the filter up and then top it up.
And then you know that's the last top up then, isn't it?
Yeah.
Great. And just like that, ladies and gentlemen, we are all done. New filter, oil is in. Ready for 3-4 more track days is what was recommended because it came out black as shit. So yeah, let's go.